Here we are in Loading Gardens. We got major rainstorm going on. Don't plug this. Look at this. Lots of rain. Look, it's coming out even harder. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's bad. Let's get that worse. Let's get it worse. We're sticking up. Good Lord, look at it. It's even worse. The floor's still dry. The wind's gone. The wind is shifting direction. I guess that's what he meant by it was pouring. There's some flowers here. Still dry. There we go again. Oh, they just got out there. Get back into the shelter here. Holy shit! You can barely see it over on the left side of the screen there. Oh, this is a video that's going on YouTube. I don't see no rainbows out there, just, yep, there is one. Just like that, stop. That's weird. Alright, turn it off. After all that, there it goes again. What? Trailer like crazy, so I'm making a video of it. YouTube. Just something to kill the time while Stanley's on his way. Where were you? See, there's a rainbow right there. Clouds, yeah. I see over there. Kind of soaked. It's actually kind of flooded over there. I see these cliffs sitting up there. I have yet to see my ride come. Going on 6 minutes. Okay. Still in. I'm ready. Let's go! Don't. See now the rainbow. Yeah. Seven minutes now to the video. On Sunday. I'm off the clock. Huh? I'm off the clock. He can help you. Punctual. Exactly, you're outside. You're outside? Yep. Yeah, it's kind of... Starting up again.